Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. This is where we learn Luganda from, and this is Learn Luganda channel. I always come here to tell you how to write Luganda, how to speak, and how to do everything. I'm always excited when I find people watching videos from this channel. That shows that my effort is now reaching somewhere. My name is Peter once again. My video is sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namland D. They have many things. They have curtain rods, they have duvet, they have everything. You can reach them out by calling their phone number, which is scrolling down there, and reach them out and make businesses. That's okay. So today we are going to be looking at useful phrases you need to learn or you need to know in Luganda. I'll be telling them in English and then translate them in Luganda, which are useful. Let's bounce into the video. As someone who is learning a language, you need to know some simple tricky words or statements whereby you can easily know how to speak the language by knowing those things you see which look to be simple, but in actual sense, a bit complicated and difficult. But in this video, I'm going to be helping you out. We have statements like, it is not possible. It is not possible. Techisoboka. Techisoboka. It is not possible for you to come here. Techisoboka gwe kujja wano. So that thing which can't happen, it is not possible. Techisoboka. Techisoboka. Of course, now I have to go to it is possible. It is possible. Chisoboka. It is possible for me to laugh. Chisoboka nze okuseka. Something which can be which can happen, which can be done. It is possible. Chisoboka. Now, let's say you're looking for help. You say, help me. Help me. It is nyamba. Help me. Nyamba me. If you say help, it is yamba. Help only. It is yamba. Help them. Help them. Bayambe. Bayambe. Help us. Help us. Tuyambe. Tuyambe. I'm helping them. I am helping them. Mbayamba. Mbayamba. You are helping us. You are helping us. Otuyamba. Otuyamba. We are helping them. We are helping them. Tubayamba. Bo them. Tubayamba. You see? Watch out. Watch out. Wegendereze. It can be in whatever you're saying, in what you're doing, or you are driving, you are walking on something which is not stable. So we say, watch out. Wegendereze. Go away. Go away. Genda eri. Go away. Genda eri. Come here. Come here. We say jangu wano with gestures for simple communication. Come here. Jangu wano. Go away. Genda eri. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yanguwa. Yanguwa. I think hurry up can be used even to many people. But in Luganda, we change it. Hurry up, yanguwa for one person. You're talking to one person. If there are many, you say mwanguwe. Hurry up, mwanguwe, when there are many. When it's one, he or she, you say yanguwa. Yanguwa. I am ready. I am ready. We say netegese. Are you ready to dance? I am ready. Netegese. I am ready to do anything. I am ready to do anything. Netegese okukola ekintu kyonna. I am ready. Neetegese. I forgot. Neerabidde. Let's say we're told to do something. Maybe to clean the house, to wash your clothes, to go somewhere, and you forgot to do that. And someone is asking, did you do what I told you to do? And you want to say, I forgot. In Luganda we say, neerabidde. If you're many, we forgot. Twerabidde. We forgot. Twerabidde. They forgot. Beerabidde. They forgot. Beerabidde. They are many. But you're not among them. They forgot. Beerabidde. Others, not including you. Twerabidde. We forgot, including you. It is important. It is important. In Luganda we say, chikuru. Chikuru. And now here comes a tricky thing. If you want to say that if the thing is old, we say in Luganda, chikuru, ekintu chikuru. That very thing is old. We say ekintu chikuru or chikuru. Again, if you want to say that something is very important, we say ekintu chikuru. You know, the reason that's why I called you here, it is important. The reason is important in nsonga nkulu. So, something which is important, we say chikuru. It is not important. It is not important. Si chikuru. You can either do it, you can either, it is either you can leave it or do it. But after all, even if you don't do it, nothing could happen. So, it is not that important. Si chikuru. What is the time? What is the time? Sawa meka. What is the time? Sawa meka. At what time? Kusawa meka. At what time? Kusawa meka. What is that? What is that? Chichi echo. Chichi echo. What is that? What is this? Let's say holding it or you pointing at it. What is this? Chichi chino. What is this? Chichi chino. What is this called? Chino chiyitibwa chitya. What is this called? Chino chiyitibwa chitya. What is that called? Echo chiyitibwa chitya. What is that called? Echo chiyitibwa chitya. So now, let's try to help ourselves in this video. Now, what I want you to do, just take back this video and then test yourself. Can you translate those statements? For example, I can give you a statement in English and you say it in Luganda. For example, come here. Come here. It's possible. It's possible. What's the time? What's the time? Help me. Help me. Help us. Help us. What's that? What's that? And lastly, what's your name? That was not in the video, but at least I've ever thought about that. So thank you very much. My name is Peter. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.